Good morning. Hi guys. If you're new here, hello. My name is Bagita Zine and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm in bed. Right? That's because I am currently sick. Everyone was getting sick whilst we were in Ibiza, or like coming back from Ibiza, or going to Ibiza, and now the sick has got me. So I'm currently sick, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me as I do my little morning routine as a sick person. Yeah, fun stuff, guys. Okay, roll the clip. So I feel very dizzy and I have like a slight headache. So the last two things I wanted to kind of like do was shower to just like get the cold out, and then do my skincare. And I was just gonna do my skincare. I was just gonna like go back to bed and turn on the electric blanket, but like I said, I feel a bit dizzy, but I think I can shower I'm going to shower because that's a must. So we just finished showering and I realized that skincare legit just takes less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wash my face. I already turned on the electric blanket before I went into the shower. I turned it on, so by the time that I'm done with my skincare and getting dressed, I should be able to just like get in the blankets and sleep. So that's what we're going to do. Done. Yeah. Usually I put on sunscreen next, right? But because I'm not going outside today, I'm not gonna put on any sunscreen. But remember to put on sunscreen, guys. It is very, very important. Whether the sun is out or not, you should be putting on sunscreen. Yeah. So this is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications, because I will be posting every single day of Vlogtober. So every single day of October I shall be posting. So just turn on your notifications for that, because every single day you're gonna get a notification that I've posted. That sounds so stupid. Either way, yeah guys, till next time, bye.